What is going on, guys? Caleb here, Caleb's Property Maintenance Fans. I know, guys, it's been a long time since I've talked to you. Not since Minnesota. I cannot believe that. Well, guys, as most of you that follow me on Instagram know, so make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, because that's always where you're going to get the first look at anything exciting that's happening with me. So make sure you guys go follow Caleb's Property Maintenance on Instagram. I got a real special surprise for you, and I'm not even going to tell you what it is. I'm just going to open up the door here and you guys are going to see it for yourself. I'm not even gonna say any more, guys. Let's just get to some cutting. Now I am gonna run this twice, guys, but because I normally just do that. But let me show you the stripes after just the first time over. Let's see what they look like. I would say that's pretty good, guys, if you ask me. But all right, let's keep her going. Alright guys, I gotta get running. I'll try to film a little bit more if I can, but I think that front yard turned out really well. This front yard to do here, and then that whole yard over there, so across the street. So I'll see what I can do, guys. But thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Alright guys, on to the next property. As you can see, you got the Wright going in the background. This is a little bit of a mess here. So they had this tree taken down. Oh boy, we got holes galore in there. Woo. Completely dead, that tree. And it would drop bark literally all the time, and every time I would come here I'd have to pick some up, no joke. So thankfully they got that down. However, I think they should take the next one down too, right there. Not that much green on that one either, but it's not my money, so all I can do is suggest. So we're gonna try the Wright Stander here on this hill. It's so hard for you guys to see how steep it is on camera. I know that, but I'm gonna set you guys up and just watch. I want to see, especially, it's the steepest right along the sidewalk, so I want to see how that does. guys, what do you think? I think it handled it really well. I gotta say, I slide a little bit on that front side, on the front hill right there, with the Pioneer. But it's not a Laser Z, so I can't really compare it to that, and it's 2 years old, so what can I say? And I want to try out the X-Mark, the new stand-on I see. It looks a little dorky in my opinion, but I know looks is for sure not everything. So I tell you, man, people, these holes here, this all could have easily been avoided. So easily, but sometimes people are just looking for the lowest price, and it's such a shame because you absolutely get what you pay for. So, alright guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up, and then we have a small mower job that my sister and I are going to, so we're gonna take care of that real quick. Thank you so very much for watching, and I have this right for another day, so I will hopefully get some more footage for you guys, and I'll for sure do a walk around telling you guys exactly what I like and don't like about the machine. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Thank you again so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of Do the Work with Caleb's Property Maintenance. Have a good rest of your day.